Hello and good day to you out there. This is Onyi Nebedum. I hope you're doing well. Sorry, I'm just returning from a radio program. I wanted to do something and I realized I could record it and share with you because it's something that helps me and I want to share that with you, whether you are a writer or not. I know we are having a training on YouTube. For those of you in that class, this is not about YouTube, but this will help you. So take advantage of what I'm going to be revealing to you in this video, okay? Now, in 2020, during the pandemic, remember that there was lockdown, okay? Now, I have these pastor mentors of mine. They are married. They got married April 10th, 2010, okay? I was there in that wedding. It was an evening wedding. The first evening wedding I will attend, and that was in Lagos. That was my first time being in Lagos, okay? But fast forward to 2020, it was their 10th marriage anniversary. But there was lockdown, and they wanted to come up with a book about how they have been able to live together since the last 10 years of their marriage, okay? Or the first 10 years of their marriage, okay? So what they did was I asked them to do voice notes. If you know WhatsApp, you know VN, okay? So the husband recorded his part of the book as a voice note and sent to me. The wife did same. Then I had to gather the voice notes because I thought of what to do, and then I came up with a plan. I gathered the voice notes, both that of the wife and his own, that's the husband. I put them together and I then converted it to, it was audio, remember? Then I converted it to MP4, okay? I didn't bother about their picture because that was not what I needed, okay? What I needed is for it to be in an MP4 format. What is this strategy? Now, the strategy here is that you can actually write a book without writing, and that is why I titled this video, How to Write a Book Without Writing. Okay, so what I did with those voice notes that I've converted from an audio format to an MP4 format was to now upload it to my YouTube, one of my YouTube spaces, all for the purpose of getting the transcript. And that is what I want to show you how to do in this video. I wanted to do it for a little stuff I want to do, and I remember that you might need this, so I decided to make a record and share with you, and I hope you will appreciate it. Let me know at the end of the day if you appreciate this in the comment section. So let's get straight into it. Now, supposing you've made a record, and this is what you can do even lying on your bed. Make a record, a voice record, maybe use your phone, you've recorded it, and then you can think of how to now convert it to an MP4. To do that, go to your browser. Before coming to your browser, find out the file format. Is it an MP3 or the one they call AAC? Just find out the file format. For instance, when I go here, let me get to my folder where I have some of my audio files. So I'll show you how to find the file format, okay? I'll go to Documents, Audacity. So these are all audios, okay? How do I know the file format? When I mouse over here now, do you see? It's showing me MP3, okay? It's a item type, MP3 file, okay? This one is also an MP3 file, can you see? Okay? And so on. These are all MP3 files. When you read, you see item type. That's the file format, okay? So in this case, the item type is MP3 file. That's the file format. So this knowledge will help you such that when you come to those places, your browser, you type convert, if it's MP3 to MP4. Sorry. Now, why are we converting it to MP4? MP4 format is the video format so that we can upload it to YouTube, okay? So I will normally use this one that says free convert. So click on it. Now, when you come here, you click here to select from device. That's from your laptop. You can as well do this with your phone. So you go to where you have those files. In my case, I have the files under my document Audacity, okay? So let me choose this first one. I already have uploaded a video I want to use to do what I want to do, but so that you can get the steps, that's why I'm going back to show you all this. So I'll now click open, so it will bring the file here. Now this is the file format. Can you see MP3? Okay, then here is the output. This is what it will give me at the end of the day. So I'll click on convert. So it has converted this file now. Okay, so quickly hit download. Okay, you download it into your system, which I have done. So having downloaded it, or is downloading, now you come to your YouTube. Follow me here now. Come to your YouTube, then click on create, and then upload video. Now you ask me what video or which video. We have converted that MP3 file to an MP4 format. So YouTube will just pick the file format as though it's a video, even if it's not seeing graphics in it. So what it calls video is the file format. So when I click upload file, so it brings me here. I will say select file or files. Now why the laptop version says select files is that you can upload more than one video using your laptop when you're uploading on YouTube, but that is not possible with most phones. Okay, but when it comes to laptop or desktop, you can upload more than one file. Okay, so if you have files, maybe videos, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos you want to upload at the same time, you can as well do that. Okay, now see that thing we did. You now see that it's looking like a video, even though there are no visuals. Okay, everything is looking dark. So click on it and then bring it in. So it's uploading. Okay, so speedily, there's nothing I need to do here at all, nothing at all. So all I needed this file is to upload. And one more thing here, this is supposed to be more than 60 seconds, otherwise it will fall under YouTube Shorts. So this does not work for YouTube Shorts as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so if it works for short, I will let you know, but the much I know, if it's less than 60 seconds, it will not work what I'm about to review to you. So once it is done uploading, click on next, and then next. We don't have to do anything here because we don't really need it. Next. Now when we come to this place, this is the only place we will be sure that we get it right. Now this way is very, very important. Okay, except you have recorded a video maybe with your face that you want to share with the public, do not put it under public. Put it maybe under private or unlisted. Okay, so that you can easily discard it, delete it, and there will be no issues with your YouTube channel. Because if you upload YouTube video and make it public, then go to delete it, it affects the performance of that your YouTube channel. Note that. Okay, so let me put it to private and then I'll save it. So I've saved it now, so it will appear in the list of my videos. Can you see it here now? It has appeared. Okay, so much later I can click on it, but this is the one I want to work with. So if you notice, I put it under private already. I'll delete it much later. So what do I do at this point in time? Simple. Click on this video as though you want to watch the video. So I'll click on it. So this is the video now. Okay, so after everything has loaded, scroll down a bit to your description area, video description area. Then you see something like more. Can you see this here now? Yeah. So once you see this button that says more, click on it. Now when you click on it, you will see transcripts, and under it you will see show transcripts. And when I click here now, notice what happens here. So I'll click on show transcripts. So do you see everything I said in this video here is here, but there's one more problem. You can see the timing. This is the time that I made each of these statements. So YouTube was able to capture the time I made each of these statements. Much later I'll tell you some of those YouTube videos that you see and you notice that the videos broke into parts. This is how they do it. When you copy this now and put somewhere, I'll show you how to do it. It will be your video will be broken into parts. Okay, so once you put the time in and then the statement, then your video will be broken into parts. But that's not the essence of this training now. All right, so by the way, this is called, let me get you the name, this is called timestamp. This thing now is timestamp. That's what it's called. So what we want to do is to remove the timestamp. Okay, so toggle it off. So click here, these 3 vertical dots, click on it, and then toggle timestamp. So the time has disappeared. Can you see? So what you do now, put your mouse somewhere here and select everything from beginning. Okay, from the beginning to the end. This is about 5 minutes video. So from beginning to the end, just select everything. Having selected everything, copy everything, Control C in your computer, or you can just put the mouse somewhere here, then right click your system and then copy. You see I've copied it now. Okay, so having copied it, what you would do next is you could just go to this place, open a Microsoft Word and paste it there. But if you notice, let me show you from beginning. Now you see that this thing broke here instead of being together. Can you see? So what I will do is I copied this already. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, let me locate ChatGPT. So I'll tell ChatGPT, I'll tell it, kindly arrange the transcripts below. I didn't get this pen here. Well, transcript below for me. Okay. Add paragraph where necessary. Then I put colon. Then I hold the shift key and then press the enter key while I hold the shift key. Then I'll paste that transcript. Can you see? But I will remove this transcript header. So ChatGPT will do a smart job now for me to arrange this thing in a way that it will be easy for me to use. Okay, so I will just hit enter. Okay, so it's going to work on it for me and arrange it in a better way for me to easily edit and use. Okay, so let's see what it's giving us already. So you see, it's arranging it, even giving headings to it. Can you see? Giving headings to it. Quality packaging, I remember saying that. Content value, I remember saying that. Okay, do you see what it's doing? Running TikTok ad, that's what I was talking about. Okay, so it's done. So what I will now do is to come here and copy it. When I copy it, I can go to this place and probably go under this. I can delete this first one that is not better organized. I can just come here, Control Shift, and then paste this new one. You see how better organized this one is? I can easily edit all this. You can even be listening to the recording and be cross-checking to see if what was said aligns with what you have here. That way you proofread the whole thing, arrange it, and you have a book ready. So this saves you a whole lot of time so that you get your book ready as fast as possible. I told you in the beginning, if you find this thing helpful, do drop a comment in the comment section to tell me that I really appreciate this great tip that you just gave. Remember, this is profit leverage, and here we help you minimize costs, optimize processes, and maximize opportunities. We also help you learn how to create multiple streams of income from one spot of idea. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of amazing videos on this channel. Do well to check them out and share it with as many friends of yours as you can. God bless you. See you in the next video.